Hi guys, my name is Lally and I am a wig maker, a costume maker and a celebrity impersonator, and I am coming to you today with this Miley Cyrus inspired makeup look. I love a bit of Miley. I think she's gorgeous and I love her music and I love her voice. So if you want to learn how to look like Miley, keep on watching. You can't see my hands, can you? No. First, I'm going to prime my skin with Maybelline's Baby Skin. And now I'm going to use Maybelline's Dream Radiance Liquid for my foundation and just blend all of that in with my complexion sponge by Real Techniques. Now I'm going to use my Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Concealer under my eyes and just on my chin to lift out my chin dimples and the hollows underneath my eyes because I'm getting old. Now I'm just going to set my eyes with my Rimmel Stay Matte Powder and a paintbrush. Seriously, I have not had a better brush in my life than this paintbrush. It's amazing. And then I'm going to use my MAC brush. What brush is that? It is the MAC 239 SE brush, which is the mini version of the 239 brush, and I'm just going to use the purple colour from my I Heart Revolution Unicorn's Heart palette to create a winged sort of all over eyeshadow situation. And then I'm just going to drag it underneath my eye with this free flat brush that I got in the Unicorn's Heart palette. Now I'm just going to go over that with my MAC Dazzle shadow in the colour Say It Isn't So. And I'm going to highlight my brow bone and the inner corner of my eye with the colour Ice Queen from the NYX Powder Contour Palette. I'm now going to tight line and line the waterline of my eyes using my L'Oréal Infallible eyeliner pencil. And I'm going to contour the sides of my nose and the tip of my nose and also over the bridge using the Powder Contour Palette by NYX and the colour Sculpt. And then I'm going to go back to the highlight colour of Ice Queen and highlight the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose, making my nose appear a little bit squarer in the tip. Now I'm going to set my face with my Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. And then I'm going to heavily contour under my cheekbones with my Rimmel Back to Bronze and also my jawline. I'm not really going to do my forehead because I have a heavy fringe / bang. I'm also contouring a bit further underneath my lip. And then I'm going to use the colour Plastic Doll from the Stupid Love eyeshadow palette by Haus Labs as my blusher. And then I'm going to use Ice Queen again as my highlighter in the high points of my face and blend everything in with a bit more of the powder and a beauty blender. And then I'm going to warm up my contour with the Rimmel Radiance Brick. Now I'm going to use the colour Hollow from the NYX Powder Contour Palette to fill in my eyebrows, and I'm going to flatten out the wing so that it comes out at like a flat angle rather than having like a tail on it. And I'm just going to cover my natural eyebrow with some concealer. I've bleached my eyebrows blonde so that they're a lot easier to cover without having to use the Pritt Stick method. Then I'm going to use my Collection brown eyebrow pen to just draw some hairs into my eyebrows. I decided to add a little bit more blush with my e.l.f. Rose Gold Blush and Highlight. And now I'm going to use my Barry M Glitter Rush Body Glitter in the colour Night Fairy and my Collection Glam Crystals Glitter Glue on my eyes to add a bit of glitter. I should have got a more purple glitter. It looked more purple than it is in the shop, but it actually reflects blue, so maybe just get the flat purple one if you're going to recreate this. And then I'm just going to curl my eyelashes and add a bit of my Maybelline mascara. This is the Lash Sensational mascara, the new one that they've got. It's actually, I don't think it's as good as the old one, so I'm going to go back to the old one. And then I'm just going to comb out my eyelashes with my eyelash brush comb. And now I'm going to use my Haus Labs RIP lip liner in the colour Supermodel, and I'm just going to go underneath my lip line and then over the top of my Cupid's bow so that it's a little bit closer together. And then I'm going to round out my bottom lip. And now I'm going to use my MAC Ruby Woo to fill in my lips. And now I'm going to apply a light dab of Wonder Kiss lip gloss over my lipstick to add a little bit of shine. Then I'm going to set that all with my Revolution Hydrating Setting Spray, and I'm going to pop my wig on. So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me any comments down below. Let me know what you think about it, if you're going to give it a go yourself. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned how to get this Miley Cyrus makeup. Don't forget to leave me any comments, any feedback down below, and don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more from me, and I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you so much. Mwah.